Guys, so magluluto na naman tayo ngayon guys. As always, one of the Cypriot food guys. So meron tayong lamb chops dito na fresh. Meron na tayong pan guys. Huwag ka mag-alala itong itim guys, hindi to dumi guys. Kung hindi na talaga yan matanggal. Tapos meron tayong black pepper powder, garlic powder at saka chicken cube. Meron na tayong nalinis dito na potato, tomato, and onion. So, hiwain natin ng medium size yung onion, tomato, at saka potato, guys. So, imimix lang yan lahat, guys. Very easy. Oh, very easy yan, guys. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya sa short video ko yung ready to eat na. So, lagyan natin ng kunting olive oil. Itong pan, guys. So, this one na the black spot, guys, is not dirty, ha? It's clean, guys, but it cannot be removed. So, lagyan natin ng kunting olive oil. Kasi, imimix natin yung mga ingredients, guys. So, iano natin yan. Ganun lang. Kasi, anuhin pa natin, kabayin pa natin yan mamaya, guys. Kasi, naghuhugas naman ako ng kamay. Kasi, naglilinis ako sa potato, onion, at saka sa tomato. So, yung potato, guys, hiwain natin ng medium size, guys. Dahil ilagay natin yan sa oven. So, this is food, guys. It's a Cypriot food. Lamb chops in the oven. So, in my short video, I will show you the finished product. So, come, guys. Watch my video. Bye.